Chapter 8, Internet and its importance. This chapter covers about Internet, web browser, essential components for an internet connection, how to open a website in a web browser, advantages of Internet, Microsoft Internet Explorer, terms related to Internet, search engines. About Internet, the full form of Internet is International Network. It is the biggest network of computer that connects millions of computers across the world by means for cable, telephone, wires or some wireless media of communication. Essential components for an internet connection: the connecting a computer to the internet, following things are required: a computer, a modem or any network card, telephone or cable line, software, a company providing internet connection. It is now possible to have an internet connection without a telephone line and modem at our home. Advantages of internet: internet provides first information and helps to search information on any topics. It helps to update our knowledge on any topic. Internet is used to send and receive messages to any person residing anywhere in the world via email. It is the biggest media of instant communication. Internet is also used for shopping, banking and reservation. The bills can be paid online. Internet is used to download songs, music, free softwares and utility programs. We can also play games online with different persons of other parts of the world. Internet can be used to see and read latest news. Do not touch any of the circuit boards and power sockets when a device is connected to them. Terms related to Internet: www, full form World Wide Web. It is the largest connection of interconnected pages that contain information in the form of websites on the internet. An email address does not contain any space and is in small letters. Email address only for small letter and without space. Website: a connection of related web pages linked to one other that provide information is called website. Web page: it is a part of website that is stored in an electronic form on the computer. It contains text, pictures, videos, animations. The idea of the web was conceived by Tim Berners-Lee at CERN in 1989. He went on to develop the three standards: server, URL and HTML, that made the web possible. Web browser, a software that lets us access the pages on the World Wide Web, is known as web browser. Website can be opened by typing the address of website in address bar and then pressing enter key. Some common and particular web browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Netscape Navigator, Mozilla Firefox. The first registered domain was symbolics.com. com. How to open a website in web browser. For viewing a website, we have to open a website on the computer first. For this, we type the address of the website in the address bar of the browser. We can use different web browsers to open a website. It means we can open a website using Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. Address bar, Google search engine, Microsoft Internet Explorer. It is a part of MS Windows operating system and the most common one. Follow the given steps to open Microsoft Internet Explorer. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Click on the Internet Explorer. Search engine. Search engine is a software that search information according to the words or terms given. Some of the popular search engines are Google, Lycos, Ask, Yahoo, etc. www.google.com, www.lyox.com, www.ask.com, www.yahoo.com. Summary: Internet is the biggest network of computers that connects millions of computers across the world. Website is a connection of related web pages linked to one another that provide information. Web pages stored in an electronic form on the computer. Web browser is a software that lets us access the pages on the World Wide Web. Exercise A. Tick the correct option. A. Answer modem. 2. Answer all of this. 3. Answer web browser. 4. Answer websites. 5. Answer email. B. Tick for the true statements and cross for the false statements. 1. True. 2. False. 3. True. 4. False. 5. True. C. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given in the box below. 1. Answer internet. 2. Answer web page. 3. Answer address. 4. Answer information. 5. Answer web browser.